Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to repurpose this bridal fan into a smallish or kind of a feather-like room decor piece, and this is how it looks like. So starting off, I ripped off the decorative part of the bridal fan at the frontal, just one side of the fan because it was enough at the end of the project. And then I went ahead to rip off the feather as well to be able to use my feather. And just one side was enough. Do you all remember or familiar with this piece? It's normally sold during Christmas and then it pops up lights. I was wondering if I could do something with this, but then at the end I realized that I wasn't successful. I went ahead to just pluck off those decorative items, the one that makes the lights lit, but then when I was done, I realized that the parts that make it light up were all ripped off. So it's like I destroyed it. I thought I would be able to use the feather around it and then still make it pop, but then when I was done, it didn't pop out. So, but then I still went ahead to tape them together anyway, and then wrapped my feather around it. Anyway, it still turned out the way I wanted, just that the light didn't come out as I had imagined. So I'll learn more about that, I'll explore more about that, and then maybe I'll bring it to you when I am successful. But for now, it still gave me what I wanted, just that the light didn't come out. So as you can see, I am gluing the feather around the taped stick that I have created with those decorative items for the lighter, what is it called? A Christmas item, I should say. I think I bought it at one Ghana city. I bought it about 2 or 3 years ago, and it's been in my room for quite some time, and I decided to play with it. So I'm gluing the feather around it. If you do not know how to do the bridal fan, or you want to watch how I did the bridal fan, it's one of my most popular videos. I will leave the link in the comments and pin it so that you can see. I'll also leave it in the description box. And then at the latter part, I'm still going ahead to glue it so that everything is secured, and then I'll have a long feather at the end like this. So when I was done, I went ahead to do another one, but this time I used a bamboo stick. So it's either you use any stick at all can give you the long feather look. You can use a pencil, a long bamboo stick, or anything that looks like a stick which you can easily wrap your feather around. I got my feather from Makola Mall, and these are the 2 feathers that I got from the first part of the bridal fan. And I'm going to mount it on this box, on this piece of box, but then I realized it was too long for me, so I measured 3 centimeters across, and then I cut it so that it will look desirable to me. You can leave it as is, but then I chose to just cut it so that the size or the length would reduce a bit for me, because my feathers are not that big, and then they are also not too long. And then when I was done, I kind of used the feather and then imagined the holes on the box, and then I created some holes, and then I used my cutter to cut the holes so that I'll be able to fix the 2 feathers inside. I'm not going to leave the box like that. I'm going to use these decorative items or the trim to kind of just decorate it to make it really popping. And I'm going ahead to use my glue gun as always to stick the trim onto the box. I started from the bottom because it's easy for me, and then it makes me able to hide everything that I want to hide. When I was done, I turned it over and then did all for the other sides. And if you look at it well, the trim comes in a certain way, so you need to attach it to make it look like how it is being shaped. And then I went ahead to cut out the part where I would need to place the feather into the holes to enable me put the feather into the holes. And then when I was done, I fixed in the feathers and they were looking quite good. But then I went ahead to grab my pearls so that it would come out very, very well. It looks raw, okay? So I went into my DIY box and then I grabbed some pearls, and then I decided to just throw them inside the surface of the box. I got these marbles from Melcom. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Juliana. Welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, if you are old, you are most welcome once again. If you're a new subscriber, please watch my videos, and if you are interested, do like and then share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the notification button. So when I threw in the pearls, this is how it looks. You can glue them together or leave them as is. If you have children, I'll recommend that you glue them so that they become very, very sticky on it. So thank you for watching. Bye.